Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fade an image in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, launch the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now, on your screen, you can see there's Homes, Projects, plus Sign Templates and Pro. Tap on Projects and select the design. You have an image that you want to fade. Now, once you open the project, tap on the image you want to fade and select transparency by scrolling from the options given below. Tap on it, then you can adjust the slider until you get the preferred fade. And guys, that's it. That's how you fade an image in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.